And it's like a carrot in front of a horse. The dream will get you to do things that you wouldn't have done without the dream. It'll help you take chances, and you start digging deep inside, and you start realizing what you're made up of, right? And you get strong. But the dream is the carrot, right? And the pursuit of your dream, don't ever tell anybody that you're being selfish when you're chasing a dream. No, because it's not about the dream. It's about the person you become in the pursuit of the dream. See? And so if you go for it, you grow into the best that you can be, and now you can give the world the best that you can be. That's why the dreamers do all the big things. They do. The Steve Jobs, the Einsteins, the Wilma Rudolphs, the Muhammad Alis, the General George Pattons, people that were willing to push the envelope and do what other people said that it was impossible to do. I said, maybe for you, but not for me, right? I mean, you can catch me. You're gonna have your tongue dragging because you're gonna have to outwork me. And that's their attitude. Whatever it takes for as long as it takes. That's what it takes. That's all it takes.